Want to showcase your team's skills, display project milestones, or highly dynamic stats in a visually engaging way? Today, we are going to build animated progress bars using the ElementsKit Progress Bar widget.
Before we dive in, ensure you have Elementor and ElementsKit installed. You only need the free version of the both plugin. Head over to the ElementsKit dashboard. Locate the Progress Bar widget and toggle it on, and let's get started. Here, I'm enabling all the widgets so that my progress bar will automatically get on. Now, open your Elementor editor and drag the ElementsKit Progress Bar widget onto your page. In the search bar, I'm looking for Progress Bar widget. Drag and drop. Here, under the Content tab, type in your title like Web Design or Project Completion and enter your target percentage. Here, I'm typing Project Completion. You can set your percentage and set it into 70% or like 68%. Now change your layout. Time to make it match your brand. Jump into the Style tab. Here you can change the color of the empty track, apply a solid color or gradient to the progress field. Here you can also adjust the thickness of the bar and add a border radius for perfectly rounded corner. So if you want to change the color, you can click there and see the title color has changed, and there you can change the height as well, and also the border radius. So I'm keeping it sharp, so I'm not changing this one. So now let's see it live. Hit the preview, clicking the preview page. Now it looks like that. Now watch your progress bar smoothly animated into place, and that will capture your visitors' attention instantly.
It's that easy to display engaging data on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and we will see you in the next video.